my loves, okay, I'm super excited right now. My brother ordered me my very own Hogwarts trunk. I didn't open this for like 3 days, and I'm like, this needs to be filmed now because I need to see what it looks like. I've been wanting this forever, like forever. So we placed the order from the New York store, and you can get it customized with your initials. So that is what I did. Let's see. Oh, it's a box in a box. Let's see how that comes up. I do not want to like cut the trunk and get like the scissors, the cut on it. You know what I'm talking about. Once again, I am sorry about the lighting. I don't know what it is doing. Oh my god. I'm glad that I took precaution. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. They like double packed this box. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna use my foot to like hold it down. Okay, why is that not working? What have you been? Okay, we're struggling here. Oh my goodness. Okay, what the heck is that? I thought that there was a bug in my package and I was about to freak out. Wow, look at my hair. Okay, so far, look at that. Okay, let's put these scissors away, Sam. Let's put it right there. Ouch. Okay, now I'm gonna do this. I am clearly struggling. I am so sorry. So, if you guys could not guess already, first of all, I wanted this trunk because of my collection, duh. But this year I am doing a What's in My Hogwarts trunk video for September 1st. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Look! Oh my goodness! This is stunning. Oh my god. I've wanted one for such a long time. It is now mine. Give me a feel. I love this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to Hogwarts. I cannot wait. Okay, so yeah. Look at that. And honestly, it retails for $100 and we only paid $80. No tax, no shipping, nothing. Literally just $80. Now how do you open it is the question. Do I turn these knobs? I don't know how to open it. How the heck do you do this? Duh, Sam. Okay. You slide it to the side. Oh, duh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This would make a lovely photo op. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. Okay, my loves, so that is it for my unboxing. Let me know down below if you will be getting this, putting it on your wish list, or if you're gonna pass, or if you already own it, let me know down below. But if you order it through the store, you could get your initials on it. So I would recommend that because it made me really happy just now, as if you guys couldn't tell. But let me know if you will be getting your own down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And subscribe because there will be a What's in My Hogwarts trunk video coming up very soon, because summer just like flew like there's no tomorrow. I don't know where summer went. So with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.